Welcome to my channel. Motorola router login. Connect to the router. Ensure your device, computer, phone, or tablet is connected to the Motorola router. This can be done via Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable. Open a web browser. Open any web browser, e.g. Chrome, Firefox, Edge, on your device. For any technical issue, call us +1 866 889 0666 UK +44 808 273 5686. Visit website wificrunch.com. Enter login credentials. You'll be prompted to enter a username and password. Access the router settings. Changing the Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password. Updating firmware. Managing devices connected to the network. Locate the reset button on the back of the router. Press and hold it for about 10 to 30 seconds using a paperclip. This will restore the router to factory settings. After the reset, use the default login credentials. For any technical issue, call us +1 866 889 0666 UK +44 808 273 5686. Visit website wificrunch.com. Thanks for watching.